saying that make sure the input. Oh, wait, there's just a thing. Okay. Yeah. Okay.
It's okay. You
Where
can
is it?
continue.
Yeah. So then we are saying. Well, actually, there's a mistake right here. Look. So then it's saying that a equals a integer. But actually, no.
Why do
That should not.
you need to convert? Yes.
It's saying that a is not. So I did a mistake and I said that a was supposed to be an integer. But why should there be an integer when there's no purpose?
Yes.
This is a string only. So then, is there something wrong?
No, continue, continue.
Okay, because it's showing red.
It's okay. We will find out what's wrong. You continue. You write your next code. You should also know
Okay.
to handle errors now. So you continue. If we'll get error, we'll find out what's that.
Okay. So then, a equals say uh
So now we will print I wanted. Just print I wanted.
oh yeah, I print I. Okay.
Otherwise print I don't want it.
This. Else.
Okay.
Oh,
Just print
okay.
it. Let's see.
Boy, I want it, please. Okay.
Now enter something else.
Not toy. No thanks.
Yes. Okay. You remember things. Good. Okay. Heman, do you understood what happened here?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Lower.
How to use lower?
Wait, lower. Was it lower dot? Then
It was write a dot lower and then parenthesis.
a dot lower
Yeah, and then
parenthesis.
yes.
Toy. What? Thanks.
It does not change. Oh, a is equal to a dot lower, Kabir.
Oh, a is equal.
Dot
Oh,
a is
syntax.
equal to a dot.
A is equal to a dot. Oi! I want it, please.
Okay.
Oi.
Just explain this lower and upper thing to Heman.
So yeah. So human in this it's saying that the A is the input, right? So it's saying make sure A equals a lower case so that if you say
Let me
it
do it for you.
so that if I
Let
say
me do it
like
for you.
if I say it like this, I want it.
Okay, so basically what this lower thing does, it converts everything you have given.
I cannot hear you.
Don't. Can you hear me?
Yeah, ma'am.
Yeah, that's
Yes.
better.
Okay. Heman, did you get it? What's lower and upper?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, just Kabir, stop sharing your screen. Let Heman share his screen now. Himan, share your screen.
Just a second.
Okay. See, whenever we write if else, na, this if you see it is written from the very start of the line, right? Similarly, else will also be written from the very start of the line. Yes.
And also, Himan, in the if you didn't put a double double equal sign.
Yes. When we have to check, we put equal to, right? Did you remember it? Colon after else. Colon after else. Yes, right? I don't want it. Maybe something like that. Okay, run this. Now, do you understand why did we write here lower? Why did we use this a dot lower function?
Because if the text is in lowercase, then it is okay. And if the text is in uppercase, then it is not okay.
Yes, but if you write something in uppercase, then first it will convert it into lowercase and then it will check, right? Okay, now stop sharing your screen. I'll share mine. I'll teach you one more interesting function today. See these things now which we use lower, dot, upper and all. This is known as function. What is it called?
Function.
Function.
You will say function. This lower is a function, upper is a function. So can you see my screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay, so you both wrote like this something, right? Can you check for it if n equal to maybe Troy? Print yes.
Ma'am,
Yes.
in
Yes.
the n equals input in the parenthesis, do you have to put like a if there's nothing, you have to say, do you have to put the what uh double comma like uh,
See, you are talking like I need to put something like this.
yeah,
Something like this, right? Okay, let's try this. You people write like this, like enter something maybe. Okay.
okay,
If I run this, my computer is saying me enter something. It is coming here. Whatever I'm writing in double quotes, this thing is coming here. You can see. And
yeah,
now if I'll enter, just see. If I'll enter TOY, what should it give me? What output should it give me, Himan?
It
no,
should give yes.
Okay. And Kabir, what's your answer?
no,
Okay, let's see. I press enter and I get no. Why do I get no? Do you know? Because
because you didn't put the uppercase, the a dot equals the a equals
yes,
a dot lower.
yes. I think we did that on. I think Kabir did not attend that class, so let's do it once more in just 2 minutes. He'll get it. Suppose something I write something like this, like let me add a text box here. TOY, something like this. TOY like this, TOY like this, like suppose TOY like this. All these four are different for our computer. Computer treats these as different. Now I have written here TOY, all in lowercase, like this one, third one. And I'm giving input as TOY, like second case is this. So our computer says no, these two are not equal for me. For computer, this toy and this toy is not equal. Okay. So that is why what I'm doing here is I'm technically converting everything into smaller case like this. Here what happens now, anything I enter here, suppose this, all in capital letters or maybe one letter in capital, whatever I enter here, my computer will change everything into smaller case. And then I'm checking everything with smaller case like this. Are you
Okay.
getting my point?
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, like suppose here now if I type toy, my computer will say yes because it has converted it into smaller letter and then checked my conditions. Suppose if I write like this, I do same thing here, but instead of this, if I write like this, TOY, what do I need to change here?
You need to
Lower
make
to
the
upper.
Yes, yes.
And we have to change the n dot lower to n dot upper.
Okay. Is that correct, Kabir?
ma'am.
Okay. So let me check it. So now should I get my answer now? Let me run this for you. So I write like this, TOY. It is saying yes, because it has converted my things into upper. Now it is up to me whether I have to convert it into uppercase or lowercase. Why? Because this code is written by me. I am the one writing the code. So I will decide if I'll make my comparisons like in uppercase, in lowercase, or in whatever format. It is up to me. So I am the one who will decide to convert it into lower or upper. Okay, always remember that.
Okay.
Like Kabir can write this code, Heman can write this code, and both are correct. Okay. Okay. Now let me write one more thing. Let's do one more thing. Suppose I am writing here n is equal to mountains. Okay. Now
Okay.
I'll tell you. You just tell me how many letters are there in this word mountains.
There is a 9.
9.
It took you time to count it like MOUNTAINS like this. Now suppose if I give you some big letter like I love mountains like this. Now you tell me how many letters are there. It's quite long, right? It will take much
14.
more time. Okay, so you did it. Good. So you suppose if I write something more, let's take it not N. Let me take it A here. Let me take it B here. Suppose I'm just start typing something very random. Okay, something like this. Now it will be very difficult for you all to just tell me the how many letters are here, right?
Yeah.
Kabir is counting. So it does take time, but our computer does it very fast. How? So computer have another function for this. Have you heard about this thing? Length. What is length?
It's like
The
the
number of characters in a word.
Yes. No, it is a technique. You are telling in technical term. Basically, length is I tell you what is the length of this road, what is the length of this bed. So what do you tell that in that? Like it is
Oh,
4 meter, 5 meter, like that, right?
yeah.
Similarly, if I ask my computer what is the length of my this string, so it will return, as Heman said, it will return number of characters of the string. Okay. Suppose if I write here length of n is equal to, I have to use this length. Can you see my screen?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Len is the function. So with any function we use what?
And I'm in
Parenthesis. Okay.
parentheses.
And in this length we pass whatever we have to count. Suppose I have to count this n. So I'll write here n. Okay. Let me take here length so that it becomes easy for you. Now if I print length, what should it give me?
Um,
It should give you
the
the length.
length of the mountains.
Yes. Why? Because in this length, I have this length function, I have passed my value n. Okay. Suppose if I pass instead of n, if I pass a, it will give me the value, it will give me the length of this. I love mountains, which is 16. Okay. See how fast it is calculating. If I give b, it will give me this thing. Whatever I have written here, this one, there are 44 characters here. Okay. So both of you will tell me now. You will enter your name and you will tell me what is the length of your name. Although you remember it, but you will ask your computer. Come on. You do or you are stuck somewhere. If you are having any problem, you will tell me. We'll share your screen and we'll find out.
I.
Okay, share your screen.
जी मैम अपना रेजर दे दे अपना रेजर दे दे
You are getting error or what?
It's no, I'm not getting error. It says Kabir. I wrote A equals Kabir and
Okay,
then
see what did see you have to first write the name of the function. No? You have not written anything. Like length is equal to a. You have simply given length is equal to Kabir. It should be length is equal to length of it. Let me do it once again for you. Come on, stop sharing your screen. I'll share you mine. Look. So first of all, whenever you give input as a string, you give it in double quotes. You have given it in parenthesis. Kabir. Mind it, you will not repeat this mistake again. Okay?
okay.
Like this, you will give something like that. And now, when you have to calculate the length, suppose you will write length is equal to length of n. This is how computer reads it. You have to find length of n. So you will write len, and then in parentheses we will write length of n. Then you will print like this. Okay.
Okay.
Did you fix a mistake?
Yes, I did it. Wait, what if I put input? What if I make it a input?
Okay, you can write like this. Just look at my screen.
Yeah.
I have written your input. I will tell enter something like this. Now, whatever you will enter, your computer will give you the length of that thing. Let me first print also that thing, whatever I'm entering. This. Suppose I am writing ice cream like this.
Hmm?
It will give me. It will first print the letter because it will first print the word for me because I have written here. I have asked my computer to print the length like this.
Okay.
Suppose I want to write in a very fancy manner. Let's do it in a very. I'll write something good for you. Now again, suppose I have taken input here. Input. Suppose enter something like this. Now I have calculated the length of my input. That is length of n like this. Now if I write like this, like print
Hmm?
length of like this, and then I'll come outside of this quotes, I'll put comma, this, and then I will again put double quotes like this, and then I'll put like this. I'll teach what. Just tell me what input is it going to give, what output it is going to give me. Just tell me. It's
Length.
okay if you're wrong.
It's gonna say length of enter something. No,
Suppose I have
uh, length of
suppose I have
the input.
entered their sun.
Length of sun is 3.
Yes. It will give me length of sun is 3. Whatever I'll write here, whatever I'll give and put here, it will write here and my length will be here. So this is known as formatting. What it is known as?
Formatting.
Formatting. Why I'm teaching you these technical terms also, you will remember them because many a times these things will come your way. And then you should know what it is called, how it is done. See, formatting is not very big thing. I want my output like this. Suppose in your question it will be written, I want my output like this. It can also be written that format your output like this. So you should know the difference it is talking about. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So whatever your fixed part, that is length of, you will write it in double quotes. Then you will put comma, and then you will write your variables here. Again, is my fixed one, right?
Hmm?
And then come out of this double quote, put a comma and type length because length is my variable. All my variables are written outside double quotes and the fixed strings are written. Both of you are getting it or not? Am I
I'm
audible
getting.
or not?
You are audible.
Okay. Okay. So share your screen. You both will do this exercise for me.
Hmm?
Who is sharing?
I'll share.
Okay. Okay, you are getting something.
Oh.
Sorry, Kabir.
So here, and then to put the thing, I can say.
Wait. First you enter this. See, this thing is running. Wait. First you enter something there. Write anything.
J1.
Okay.
Okay,
So
now
you will format this. Like you will say length of my input is this. Something like what I have done. Okay.
okay. Of yeah. Where is
You will put comma.
just sec. Wait, no,
Not there. Kabir, not there. Input of, then come out of double quotes.
wait. In okay.
That was correct. Right, type length of.
Input of
No, length of.
front off, and then
Yes.
here
Yeah, put comma. Yes. You will give
and
your input. That is, your input is A, not N.
oh yeah, I forgot. A
And then double quotes.
is
Yes.
a comma. Length of 46.
Yes, 6. Yes, very good. Okay, Himan.
Ma'am.
Yes, share your screen.
Okay, ma'am.
Length of. Okay. So did you understand? Great. Good. Okay, stop sharing. Visible, no?
Yep, it's my
Ma'am.
name.
Okay. Okay. So this is length. What we have done till now, we have completed what?
Length.
We have completed length function. We have completed upper function. We have completed lower
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 function.
function.
Okay.
and also
So
format.
this thing is known as formatting. Like I want my output or input in this format. So this is this. Based on these three things, let's do one exercise. So what you will do, you will take input, you will enter a word maybe, you will enter a word, okay? You will check for the count of word, you will check for the count of letters in your word, okay?
Okay.
if, for, it's for, if your count of birds is greater than 10, you will print for me count is great. You will print this thing for me. If it is greater than, if it is less than 10, if the count of that thing is less than 10, you will print count is less than 10. Okay?
Okay.
This. So just tell me, how can I do this? You both will guide me. I will write. Okay?
First, we will write a variable.
Okay. You will write a variable. Suppose n
Equals input.
Okay, input. I will enter something.
Bracket.
Enter your word. Something like this. Okay. Actually, this thing is coming. So let me write this for you. Suppose length is, then we will check the length of my input, which is n. Okay.
Then in the next line, you'll write n equals greater to n
First of
equals.
all, I have to write
Then
this
first
now.
we will write if.
Yes. First we will write if. Then I will write this thing. Length is greater than 10. Then I will print what? Count is greater than 10. Like this.
Hmm.
Else I will print
Then you have wrote
tell me
wrong
what's wrong in my
spelling.
code.
Ma'am, the spelling of the length.
Okay. Yes. Tell me, shall I run this code?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I type mountain. What output should it give?
Ma'am, it
10
is
is 9 letters.
It
ma'am, it is
should.
lesser than 10.
It is less than 10, no? Because mountain has 9 letters. No? It is not greater than 10, it is less than 10. So it will give this output, right?
Yeah.
Okay, let me make one more thing very clear to you. Suppose I'm writing two things. Suppose this is sun maybe, okay, and this is A is equal to sun and B is equal to sun, like this. I will print the length of A and I will print the length of B. What output should it give?
3.
It should
In
give
this,
4 for B and 3 for A.
okay, let's see. Yes. You know why did it give 4 for B and 3 for A?
Ma'am, because in B there is a space
Yes.
given.
I have put one space after the sun. I have put a space after the sun. So it has given me 4. So technically, this length function counts everything. It counts sun also, it counts space also, it counts characters also. If I write something like this, maybe 1, 2, 3, it will count that also as different characters. Like now it has given me 6, like SUN 1, 2, 3. There are 6. Okay. Suppose if I give one space before sun also, you think it should count it or not?
Ma'am, it will count it.
Will this output come for B?
It will give 5.
Yes. It counts all the spaces. This one at the starting, this one at the back, every spaces it does count, okay? Getting my point or not?
Yes, ma'am.
So similarly, if I run my this code, this thing, and suppose if I write like this, and I give SUN, and I print enter, enter, and suppose if I press some like space, 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 like this, and I give enter. Now my count is greater than 10, right?
Yeah.
But that is wrong, no? Because suppose it is by mistake, then what you will do? Suppose you want to type sun, but you have accidentally pressed on the space button and it has taken lots of spaces at the end. And now you are telling, oh my god, it is coming a very wrong answer like this. What do we need to do is, when we take an input, we have to and that are after it. Do you understand the word trailing? Am I audible or not, both of you?
Yes, ma'am.
You are on mute.
Yes, now it's coming.
So, so the thing is, ki, whenever we enter a word, whenever we enter a word, whenever we enter a word, we need to remove these spaces. We need to remove these spaces, right? It should be like that technically, right? Or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Now,
Yes.
suppose if I write like this, SUN, and another if I write something like this, SUN, something like this, SUN, like this. All these three are different for computer, okay? Because there are spaces. But as I showed you here, na, like if I run this program like this, and then I write sun, and by mistake if I press space bar, then it is a human error, right? Computers should fix our human error also. So for this thing, what do we have? We have one more function called as trim. What it is called?
Trim.
Trim function. So by the very name itself, we can see what does trim function do? Trim function just removes all the spaces that are before it and that are after it. Okay.
Okay.
Am I audible or not, both of you? Just keep responding.
Yeah, you're audible.
Yes.
Okay. Suppose I have written a sun and then two spaces. I will print the length of this thing. Length of A. It will give me 3 or 5.
It should give
3.
3.
There are two spaces after sun.
It should give using the trim function.
No, I am not using any function right now. I'm not using any function right now.
Ma'am, it will give 5.
Okay, let me see. It is giving me 5. Okay. Now if I write
Okay.
something like this, like A is equal to trim A.
I cannot hear you.
Hello.
Yes, ma'am. Yeah, ma'am, you are audible.
I
Okay,
am
that's
audible or not?
Yes,
now.
ma'am.
Okay. If I write trim before this, just tell me what will it do? You
Ma'am,
will first explain me what will it do.
it will not count the spaces.
Sorry.
It will not count the spaces after the word sun.
It will not count these two spaces like sun. These two will not be counted. So for doing this thing, what we write is, remember how did we convert it into lower and uppercase? We used to write a dot lower like this. If we wanted to convert it into uppercase, we have to write a dot upper, something like this, right?
Yes.
Similarly, for basically removing the spaces, we will write this thing strip. Write what?
Yes.
Strip.
STRIP.
That is strip. See how we are writing things that are different. We are writing this like this, a dot strip. But in length, we are writing length, and then we are passing the variable for which we have to calculate the length. You will remember these things, okay? You will practice these things, you will remember these things, okay? Not only what output should I get here? Here.
Should get 3.
Should get 3. So if I write in this code, suppose this is something I have written, like if my length is greater than 10, I'll print this. If it is less than 10, I'll print this. If I add the same thing here, like length, I think one thing, where should I add my strip function? After line number 2 or after line number 1?
From line number 2.
After line number 2, you are telling me to add the string function, to add the strip function here, like this. This one? Both of you agree with me with whatever I have written here?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, let's see what happens. Suppose if I run this, the first line will run first. It will ask me to enter the word. So I'm running this. It is asking me to enter a word. I will put sun, and then by mistake only my space bar is pressed, and it has taken a lot of space. Okay. Now what our computer will do, it will execute second line. After first, it will take and run second line. So it will calculate the length of my this sun and space, and it will store it in length. Okay. And then my third line is run, which says, okay, remove all the spaces now. But what's the point of doing that thing now? Because I have already calculated the length, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So there is, if I have already calculated the length, and then I'm stripping that, then I'm just stripping these spaces. There is no use of this, right? I have to do this before I calculate the length. Understand this? Why I have done this?
Yes.
So first I will take my input from user, and then I will remove all the spaces that are before it and after it, and then I will calculate the length, right? Now if I do something like this, sun and then lots of space, and then I can run this, my count is less than 10 because I have calculated length only after removing these extra spaces. Got my point?
Ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Both of you are clear with my thing?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
We did lower, upper, length and strip function in Python today. So one of you will now share your screen and do this thing for me. Sharing. you spin and then do? Okay, you will write another code, write a fresh code. Don't change in that. Okay, write a fresh code for me. You will calculate the length. If the length is greater than 5, you will give me it's a long word. Otherwise, you will give me it's a short word.
Okay.
Now, what you will do?
Actually, right.
Yes, we have to first remove all the spaces for doing that. We can simply say we have to clean our word. Okay, we have to
Okay.
clean our input. A is less than 5. Let's take 5. Why are you writing this if A is less than 5?
Uh, I this I'm writing so that like if it says that
Are you saying anything? Your voice is not audible. Is he saying something?
so I'm doing this so that I can print like if it's bigger.
Okay, so what are you checking? Just explain me that. You are
I'm
checking if
checking
A is greater than 5. But what you have to check, just tell me what is stored in A.
what
What do we have in variable A?
the input the input.
Yes. And what you have to actually check, do you have to check the input or you have to check the length of that word?
Uh,
Okay, just write your code. We will find out what will the your code. Heman, if you are saying something, you're not audible. Either speak loudly
I'm
or
not
just
saying
type.
anything.
Okay, okay. Okay. Just press tab there. Okay.
If there's something wrong, that is better.
So you will tell me what is wrong in your code. What message are you getting?
Not supported between instance of string and integer.
Yes. Yes. So what if our computer is saying that greater than, less than, equal to, and all these things are not supported between string and integer. Only we can compare integer values, right?
Yes.
And see what you have done. Just check your if statement. You have written
So
if a is greater
Wait,
than 5, right?
length in
Yes. You have to check the length, not the word itself, Kabir. You have to check the length, no? So length of A you have stored as length,
oh sorry.
right? Length. Your spelling is wrong.
Yeah.
Length.
Okay, it works.
Right? Okay. Heman, share your screen.
okay. First, I have written a word in spaces.
Enter something. Length is greater than 5. Okay, just run. Okay. Type something which is greater than 5 letters or something like that. Let's check it. Type my name as Heman. Okay, okay. See what you do now. Whenever you write a new code, take a new code block so that you remember what you have done. Okay?
Okay.
You will remember those things. Both of you, did you do anything in Turtle? Did you try doing
Ma'am,
some shapes or not?
ma'am, I
Yeah, I
did.
did.
Ma'am, yeah, I did.
Okay,
I
one by one show. Himan, go first. Show what you have done.
uh,
Okay. Wait a second.
Okay.
uh I don't have the notebook open, so
Yeah.
let me
Yeah.
just open.
Are you sharing?
Is this the one?
Okay, nice. Just show me the code.
Okay, I found it. I found it.
Okay. So you have written it by yourself or you have
Yes, ma'am.
seen it? Okay,
Ma'am, I have
very
written
good.
myself.
Very good, very good. Excellent. Okay. Oh, okay. Very good. Kabir, do you want to share?
I'll share.
Yeah.
Okay, it's somewhere here. Still finding. Okay, yeah, this. I just run this a bunch of time, and it just.
Okay, so you have to initialize that thing first. No? You have to import turtle first. So dollar,
What?
you need to import that thing now. You have to run those two lines which I have given you in your chat box. Do you remember that?
It's
Exclamation pip install collab.turtle
Yes.
from
Yes, yes, yes.
collab.turtle.turtle import.
Yes. Every time you will have to run those two lines before that,
oh,
before doing this thing. Okay?
okay.
So you want to do, both of you want to do one more function, or shall we continue tomorrow? Are you both feeling lazy or something like that? Nobody is responding.
No, we're not like being lazy.
So you're
I
not
mean,
bored. No? We can continue. We can do one more function today, right?
When we will
Yeah.
continue.
Okay, let's do one more function today and then we will wrap up. My screen is visible?
Yes, ma'am.
yes.
Okay. Suppose I have written something like this, like, and I want my output to come like this. HELLO. Basically, what is happening here? Suppose I have written like this, CAT. I want my output like this, CAT. Whatever I'm writing in small case, it should come in capital, and whatever I'm writing in capital should get converted into small case. Did you understand my point?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
So basically, what we are doing, we are swapping our case. We are swapping our cases. Okay.
Yeah.
So what we have to do? What we have to do? We will take the input like this and is equal to, suppose, CAT, something like, no, something like this. T and A is in capital and then T is in small letter. So for this, what we have to do is, suppose take here like this. We write N dot, whatever we have to swap, we write that variable. So N dot, we write swap case. See, Python is already suggesting. So in the swap case like this. And then if I print A, let me write N here so that it is easier for you all.
Yeah.
See, it has swapped my cases. This swap case. So what it does is, whatever I'm writing in small letter, it converts it into like capital letters, and whatever I'm writing in capital letters, it converts it into small letters. Okay. Suppose if I write here KABIR like this, it has converted it into opposite cases.
Yes.
Did you both get my point or not? Understood or
We
not?
get it. Yes.
Is he speaking something? I think yes. Okay, so here what we are doing is we are swapping our letters, like capital to small and small to capital. Okay. Okay. Now, one more thing is there. Suppose if I want to check, suppose I have given an input. Now I want to check if all my things, all my characters are alphabet or not. Ask you, and suppose my question is design a password for me, and the password should contain only alphabets. It should not contain any digits. It should not contain any special characters. It should contain only alphabets like A to Z, or in smaller case maybe A to Z, something like this. Write passwords, na? You write password, then it asks you, it should have one small letter, one capital letter, one special character, something like that.
Yes.
My screen visible.
Yes, it is.
Okay. So for that we use something known as, I've taken this input and input like this, and I
Yep.
have asked you enter something like this. Okay. Now I'm telling you, you will have to check for me if this input is having only alphabets or not. Okay. So what you will do is they will check for me. Like suppose I'm writing check is equal to. I will write and just see how I'm writing is alpha. What I'm writing? First I'm writing whatever I have to check, that is n. Then I'm putting a dot. Then I'm writing is alpha is alpha, and then parenthesis like this. Then I will print this check. So basically, this thing will give me true or false. See, if I'm writing something like this, like I'm writing sun, all my characters here are alphabets only. Do you understand what is alphabet?
Yes.
ma'am.
Okay, so if all my characters are alphabet, it will give me true. Okay. Now if I'm writing sun 1, what output should it give me?
False.
Ma'am, false.
Yes, it will give me false, because apart from alphabet, there is something else. That can be a number, that can be anything else also. Like if I write something sun hashtag, and then it will give me false. Because anything other than alphabets, it will give me false. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Similarly, one more thing is there. Let me first take this. Now, if I'm telling you that you have to take input and that has to be integer only, like, do you understand what is integer?
Yes.
ma'am.
Yes. So, what are integers?
Like number.
These are numbers.
How many integers are there? There are only 10 integers. 0,
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. How many are these? These are single digit integers, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
If I write 10, it is 2 digit. But again, I'm using these 2 digits, no? 1 and 0. So these are single digit integers. So how many single digit integers are there?
There are 10.
Yes. So if I tell you, okay, now you will have to tell me whether it is a digit or not. You will write here is, instead of S alpha, because you were checking for alphabets, you were writing alpha, is alpha, right? Now I am checking for digit. So I will write is digit and then parenthesis like this. then I will run this code. Let me write 1, 2, 3, 5. My output is true. Do you understand why?
Because they're all odd integers.
Yes. Suppose if I write something like ABCD, it should give me true or false?
False.
Okay, let me check. It is giving me false. Suppose if I write something like 1, 2, 3, ABC, what output should I get?
False.
Yes, it will give me false. If my word has got anything other than digit, it will give me false. Okay?
Okay.
This function is digit. Similarly, in this function is alpha. If anything other than alphabet is written, it will give me false. Okay?
Okay.
If you
What that?
put spaces
Yes,
in the word,
we will put.
spaces in the word.
Okay, let's check for that like this. Suppose I have written star 1, 2, 3 space. Okay? What output should I get?
It is giving false.
Yes, it will give false. Because what did I say? Anything other than alphabets, it will give false.
But if we
Right?
also want to include spaces
Sorry.
or
See, you
like to
will have to
use
trim. You
a
will
dot
have to trim
strip,
here. You will have to trim here. And not trim, that strip function I told you, na?
Yeah.
Okay, so how do we write that strip function? You will tell me.
N equals
and
N.
dot strip parenthesis.
Like this, n dot strip, something like this.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let me see. SUN. Now if I'm giving 3 spaces, 4 spaces, suppose, it will tell me true because I have first of all those extra spaces and then I'm checking if it is alphabet or if it is digit. Understood, Herman?
Yes.
So what all things did we do today?
We learned
Swap case. We learn
trim.
length. We learn
It's better if
string.
you remember this strip function instead of the word. Although trimming is what we do, but we write strip function, right? We use this word in Python, so it's better if you remember by this word strip. Okay. So we will revise what we did today. First, we started with lower, we did upper. Two, we did length, right? Then we did strip. We did is alpha. We
We
did
did
is digit.
digit
Yes.
and also formats. Format as
Yeah, we
well.
did formatting. We started formatting today, basic formatting type. I'll write basic formatting maybe, okay? Like this. Okay. We also did this, na, swap case. Remember?
Yes.
We did swap case also. So let me write that also. Let me see if we are missing on something. Length, we did stripping, we did, okay. So we did these many functions today. So these are all string functions, okay? What are these?
String functions.
Why are these string functions?
Because we are
Because
modifying them. I'm modifying the alphabets and
because we are using these functions on string only. Okay, you can't take input as integer and ask our computer to convert it into lower or upper case, right? Because one is one, na? It has not got any uppercase or lowercase. Understood?
Yeah.
Yes. You cannot ask the computer to tell me the length of 1 as a digit. Okay? So these are known as string functions. They work on string. Also, we found out one more thing. You remember when Kabir did something like this? He compared a string. Let me write in another code block for you. Not code block, text block maybe.
Excuse me,
Yes.
I'm having a
Himan?
problem.
Okay, tell me.
Ma'am, ma'am, that you told me in uh, B equals check equals A equals is alpha. Before that, we have to write A equals A dot strip. I wrote that and I
Okay, share
wrote in
your
the
screen.
input.
Share your screen.
Um, I'm sharing.
Just 2-3 more minutes, Kabir. You are getting bored.
Yeah.
Here I write.
We'll wrap up now. Let's just focus on this dot. Help Himan here.
Am I writing this and
Okay, so hello world.
this?
This will give me false. Why it will give me false? Because there is a space between hello and world, right? Between the
Yes,
letter O and W, right?
yes, ma'am.
So for these, if you want, you have to enter a single digit word only. Sorry, not single digit, single word only. Like if you write hello, and then if you put spaces after that, with no letter or word after your spaces, then this strip function will work. It will remove the spaces. But any spaces between your words, these are not removed by strip function. Okay. Did you get my point?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So what you both will do, you will practice these things. Okay.
Okay.
I'm just copy pasting it in the chat. You will, maybe I'll give it in the group. So you will practice these functions. Okay. And we will meet tomorrow, same time. Okay.
Okay. Bye.
Okay. Bye bye. Good night. Bye.
Bye.